Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix your incorrect Instagram username issue. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have Instagram open here. If you're trying to log into your account and you keep getting this message that it's an incorrect username, I'll show you a really quick, easy way to fix that. So to start, let me just put in some random username that I know is not my own username. I will just make up a random password here and then hit login, and it will say can't find the account. It doesn't have that as a username. Obviously I typed in the wrong username. You can see at the middle here it's remembered my password, my username. So say if I get out of here and close those out, say instead of using this username, which is actually my username, if you don't have that username and it keeps showing incorrect username, all you have to do is type in the email address that you use to sign up. So you can do trevor@.com. So in that regard, you don't have to remember your exact username. You can use this email address that you use to sign up for Instagram and then enter in your password here, and then you can hit login, and then you should be able to log into your account and not have any issues. So you can go over here and as you can see, I'm logged into my new account, and I didn't have to remember that username. So if you ever forget the username that you initially signed up for, all you have to do is use your email address or your phone number to log in. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks.